Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting world of entrepreneurship, making money with print on demand services. We'll explore what it is, how to get started, and weigh the pros and cons. So stick around and let's get started. So, what exactly is print on demand? It's a business model that allows you to create and sell custom designs on various products without holding inventory. You only print a product when a customer makes a purchase. This can include custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Now that we know what print on demand is, let's talk about how to get started. Here are some steps to kickstart your print on demand venture. Now that we know what is print on demand, let's talk about how to get started. Here are few steps to kickstart your print on demand venture. Step 1. Choose your niche. First, you need to pick a niche. Find something you are passionate about or a niche with dedicated audience. This will help your product resonate with the potential customers. Step 2. Design unique products. Next, create unique designs or hire a designer. The key here is to stand out. The better your design, the more likely people are to buy. Step 3. Partner with a print-on-demand platform. Partner with a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Printify, and Teespring. These platforms handle the printing, packing, and shipping. Set up your online store. Create an online store on platforms like Shopify and even Amazon. Customize it to match your brand and add your product. Step 5. Finally, market your product through social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising. The more exposure, the better. Let's weigh the pros and cons of this business model. Pros. First, the pros: print on demand offers low startup cost. You don't need to invest in inventory. It's also a low risk business model. You only pay for what you sell. And it's highly customizable. You can offer a wide range of products with your unique designs. Cons. On the flip side, there are some cons to consider. Competition is fierce in the print-on-demand world, and it can be challenging to stand out. Profit margin can be low, especially in the beginning. Plus, you rely on a third-party printing and shipping, which can lead to occasional quality control issues. There you have it, the world of making money with print-on-demand services. It's a fantastic way to turn your creative passion into a business. But like any venture, it requires hard work and dedication. If you are willing to put in the effort, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next video.